Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be announcing the winners of the 2 Arlo giveaways that I had going on. For those of you that did not win, I'm going to be going over 15 Black Friday items for you to check out, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I want to thank everyone who entered the 2 giveaways that I had going on, and that was for the Arlo Pro 3 cameras, and then we also did another one for current Arlo users, giving away kind of a little swag bag of different items for them. Out of the 2 giveaways, I had over 700 entries, so I want to thank you guys for that. Also, for anyone watching this video who might not be subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. We do quite a few giveaways on this channel, and this way you can be notified of the next one. I also want to let you guys know that for all the items I talk about in this video, there are going to be links in the description below, so you guys can check those out. Okay, so before I announce the winners, I'm going to go over the items here. We have a lot to cover, so I'm going to be going over them pretty quickly. Okay, so the first item we have here is the Arlo Pro 3. This is the one that most of you had entered the giveaway for. It is currently on sale right now for $50 off. For everyone who didn't win, you can save $50 on this camera kit right here. Next up, we have the Arlo Ultra. So this is Arlo's top of the line camera. Now for this deal right here, you do have to get the 3 camera kit, but if you do, that is going to be $90 off the original price. Another option you guys can look at is if the Arlo Ultra is too expensive and you're looking at getting, say, the Pro 3 model. With that Pro 3 model, you can do add-on cameras of the Ultra. So they're having a sale on the Arlo Ultra add-on cameras right here. They're $44 off per add-on camera. So what I would recommend is getting that Pro 3 setup, and then for the hot spots around your house, just adding the Arlo Ultra so you can get that 4K. Now, next up I have on the list here is the Arlo solar panel. This is something that I wasn't really sure that I was going to be a big fan of because it is pretty expensive. They are having a sale on it right now. I do have 2 of them in my yard and I love them. I would say out of all of the Arlo accessories that I've used over the past year, these by far are the ones that I would recommend the most. I can't emphasize enough how awesome it is that I don't have to monitor these batteries anymore. These stay topped off all the time. They do such a great job. Now that my camera's up, I don't even worry about my cameras anymore. I just check them when I need to, and these solar panels keep the cameras topped off. So I absolutely love that. If you guys are looking at getting these, they are $16 off. That's 20% right now. So next up, we have the Arlo Pro 2s. This is a great deal right now. They are $210 off. That is 44% off of their price. If you are not sure between the Arlo Pro 2s, the Arlo Pro 3s, and the Arlo Ultras, I did do a video comparing all of those. I will link it above for you guys to check out. And that is also the video that we are announcing the giveaway on. But if you're looking at the Pro 2s, they are having a great sale on this 2 camera system, but they are actually having an even better sale on the 3 camera system for the Pro 2s. So that is 56% off. You're essentially getting a 3rd camera for an extra $30. So that's a great deal right there. $300 for a 3 camera system with the Arlo Pro 2s. Okay. Moving away from Arlo, getting into some of the other great Black Friday specials, we have got Wyze Cam. Now, I absolutely love Wyze Cam. They are a small little camera. These are not for outdoors. These are going to be for indoor use only, but on Wyze's website for today, limited edition, they are having the Wyze Cam Black. So these always come in white, but today only they are doing the Wyze Cam Black. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out. Sticking with the Wyze Cam, they are bundling the Wyze Cam up with the Echo Show 5. Saving about $56, you can pick up the Echo Show 5 with the Wyze Cam, and that is going to cost you $60. Now, speaking of the Echo Shows, all of the Echo Shows are having a great sale right now. I'd recommend any of these that you're looking at, but we've got the Echo Show 5, the Echo Show 2nd generation, which is a 10-inch, and then we've got the Echo Show 8 down here, that is an 8-inch, but all of these are having great Black Friday specials right now. And the cool thing about these is that you can watch your camera footage on these units right here. So whether it be Wyze or Arlo or Blink or Ring, you can bring them all up on these systems to look at your live footage. So if you don't have your phone by you, you can do it here. Now, speaking of Ring, Ring also has a bundle for the Echo Show 5 and the Ring Video Doorbell. So if you look at it here, it is 52% off. You can get the Echo Show 5 and the Ring Video Doorbell for $140. Next up, if you do not want the Echo Show 5 and you just want the Ring Video Doorbell, or you want to pick up a second Ring Video Doorbell, they're having a great special on that right now, $70 off. You can pick that up for $129 for that special right there. Next up, we've got the Blink XT2s. So these are having a sale at 25% off. You can pick up a 2-camera system for $134. Or if we even look here, you can pick up the 1 camera for $75. So that's a good deal right there. One thing that I did want to point out, because I did see this sale and I wanted to make you guys aware of it, is that they're having another one here where it says it's $70. It looks like it's $5 cheaper than the one previous to that, but that is because this is an add-on camera. So if you do not have an original Blink kit that comes with that hub with it, don't pick up this add-on camera because you won't be able to use it unless you have that hub. So if you are brand new to the Blink system, make sure you're picking up the kit, so the extra $5 to get that hub that connects everything together, and then you can add on this camera right here. All right, next up on the list, we've got the UVCams. So I did a video on this one a while back. I'll link it above, but these are great cameras right here. They're having a special for $250. That is $50 off their original price. All right, and then lastly, something that's not security camera related, but that I absolutely love, and they are having a great sale on it right now, is the Fire TV Cube. So this is something that we use every single day. We have it connected to our TV. Hands down, this is by far the thing that we use the most. We absolutely love it. We play all of our shows on it. I can't speak more highly of this item right here. They're having a sale on it. It is $30 off, 25%. And the great thing about this too is that you can watch all of your security camera footage on it. So you would just ask Echo to show me my front door or whatever the name of your camera is, and it'll display it on your TV. So instead of having it on the smaller Echo Show 5, Echo Show 8, the smaller ones like this, you can actually use this guy right here to display it on your TV. Okay guys, that is all 15 items. Now let's announce the winners. Oh, all right guys, now I'm gonna be announcing the winners. So I'm gonna be doing the winners of the swag bag first. The first winner that I have is Maricela Schmidt. Winner number 2 is John Farrell. Winner number 3 is Nanya Business. So congratulations to all 3 winners. All right, now here we have it. The grand prize winner for the Arlo Pro 3 security camera kit is Robert Tomasco. So congratulations. I will be reaching out to you to get your information to send that out to you. But I want to thank everybody who participated in the giveaways and who also checked this video out. As a reminder, links for everything will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.